Welcome back to the Class Winners Workshop. I'm Class Winners Car Guy in Chief, Sam Bear, and well, today it's going to be a real quick fix because I'm going to show you how you can take a great sports car like this 1978 Alfa Romeo Spider that we just picked up and tightening up the steering. You see, this car, although it's been really well maintained, it's really loose in the steering and there's a lot of play before the wheels actually start moving. And it's a super simple fix. So many cars have steering boxes, and that means that you can actually, with just two simple tools, a wrench and a flathead screwdriver, you can simply tighten up the steering box so it moves the gears together and take out that slop. So we will loosen up the retaining nut and then just make some small adjustments until we feel that play removed. Still some play. I'm going to guess it's going to take about a half turn on this one. Oh, there we go. That's perfect. So now all we need to do is hold this back in place, put the nut back to tight while we hold. Okay, now that we have everything locked down, we can see that even the slightest back and forth of the steering wheel, it feels like it's directly connected to the tires. And that's exactly where we want it on this perfectly handling Alfa Romeo sports car. So from the workshop, I'm Sam Bear, Car Guy in Chief, reminding you that life's too short for ordinary cars. And it's certainly too short for being able to simply make your sports car handle better in 2 minutes or less and not taking that opportunity.